car. I think it was just before the safety car was deployed. Tom Ferguson went a long, long way into the gravel, and I don't want to say it, but I think it could have been into the car. No, I don't think it was. So there's one of the cars that went off with the gravel jump from the four, and another car's gone in a very big way, under yellow flags, under safety car. That won't go down well. That's how it's bunkered, so he's into the gravel trap and almost into the market. So that won't go down well at all. So yeah, all cars off into the gravel. It's a very big job to try and get all of this cleared up. The medical van and the circuit vehicles, just as a precaution, immediately down there to try and help the situation. Who else have we got? Who's not been towed out of the gravel? That is the number 3 machine by the looks of it. So if we just have an option to try and hear through the rain, as it is. So that is the great thing. Mike try to come up the plough car. That's the number 61 Academy Motorsport car, Eric Evans and Marco Signoretti. So they're into the gravel trap, so too